Today I will share with you a little trick. Graft rose branches onto the root system. It's often referred to as the root knot. This is an old potted plant at home. He found long roots while changing the basin. Cut a small section. Rinse with a hose. Add planting soil. Put the roots in. Add a layer of soil. Select robust rose branches. Remove the blade. Cut a 45-degree incision with a blade at the bottom. Cut both sides. Make an incision in the roots buried in the pot. Align the rose branches with the incision and put them in. Then tie it with tape. Better put another bag on. Wrap the string around again. Spray with water to moisturize. One month later. Open it up and see how it grows. You can see that new leaves have grown. Open it and take a look at the generation of the graft. 2 months later. New branches and leaves are constantly sprouting out. Flower bones also appear. After another 10 days, a beautiful flower bloomed. So far, the grafting work has been completed. Have you learned today's method? If you find it useful, remember to follow, retweets and likes. Thanks for watching.